Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM Imran wants nation to adopt SOPs during Eid holidays and COVID cases stabilizing. Prime Minister Imran Khan said that the COVID cases in the country are witnessing a stabilizing effect and urged the public to adopt COVID SOPs during Eid in order to avoid an India-like situation. NAB wants Shehbaz Sharif's name on ECL. The National Accountability Bureau has approached Interior Ministry to put name of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz President Shehbaz Sharif on the exit control list. COVID cases positivity ratio start declining in Pakistan. Pakistan continues to record a gradual decline in a new COVID-related new infection and positivity rate. 1,100 Pakistani inmates to return from Saudi prisons. Sheikh Rashid, Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmad shared detail regarding transfer of Pakistani inmates languishing in Saudi jails to the country. Sindh Cabinet approves rules to issue Senior Citizen Azadi Card. A meeting of the Sindh Cabinet chaired by the Chief Minister approved the Senior Citizen Welfare Rules 2021. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.